Today I'm going to show you how to take your ordinary potato and turn it into this delicious Korean side dish called 감자볶음. And it only takes minutes to make this on your frying pan. And honestly, all you need is our delicious 감자볶음 with kimchi and warm Korean rice, and you have yourself a perfect and yet simple meal that is completely satisfying. So you do not want to miss out on this. 오늘의 레시피. 아주 간단하고 맛있는 감자볶음 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. It's a big bite. I always make big bites. All right. Awesome. Oh my God, that's so good. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. For our 감자볶음 recipe, we need about 400 gram-ish of peeled potato. Okay, so notice how wobbly our potato is. Here's a tip I'm going to share with you. So you want to cut a sliver on the side, and then now it's no longer wobbly, so you can slice your potatoes. We want to cut it at an angle. Now what you want to do is basically stack your potatoes, and then we're just going to cut them into strips. And of course you could use bandolin slicers if you want to instead, but we're going to start cutting. So you want to cut it so that it is thick enough so that it's not going to break apart easily when we stir fry it, about this thickness. I want you to place them into a big mixing bowl. I want you to fill it with enough cold water so the potatoes are completely submerged, and let this soak on your kitchen counter for 15 minutes. So the reason for doing this is to draw out the excess starch and also to firm up our potato sticks so it's nice and stiff. And 15 minutes later, we're going to pour this into a strainer and shake it, then place it on our bowl. You could bang it. Before it was kind of like sad, you know, needed some love, and soaking your potato sticks in cold water literally firms it up. Just a tip that I'm going to share. And we need a quarter of a small onion, and we need 2 garlic cloves, thinly sliced. Now this is optional. Here I have green, yellow, and red bell peppers, about 4 pieces each. And this is really more for garnishing. For those of you that want to add some protein to this dish, you could also add julienne sliced ham. That tastes really good with it too. Set your heat to high. Place your frying pan and let it preheat for about a minute or 2. Once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to lower your heat to medium-high. So once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, a generous amount like so. Then we're going to add our garlic slices. And I just want you to kind of move them to one side like that. And we're just going to heat up our garlic slices for 5 seconds like this. We don't really want to burn it. Then we're going to add our potato sticks. Then to this, we're going to add 3 pinches of salt. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to add 1 pinch of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, just use black pepper. Then I want you to just gently mix our potato sticks around the pan. So we're going to keep on moving our potato sticks around and let it stir fry like this for a good 3 minutes on medium-high heat. And 3 minutes later, I want you to notice how our potato sticks now look translucent. They no longer look matte. That's exactly what we want. Then at this point, we're going to add our onion slices and our sweet bell peppers. And I want you to just mix them around like so. And we're just going to stir fry this for about 1 minute. Now this part's optional, but I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of warm water, and to this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of 소고기 Dashida. Vegan friends, you can use Yondu or MSG, and then I'm just going to mix this up, and we're just going to pour this over our potatoes like that. Give it a quick stir, and our potato sticks are still very firm right now. So what we're going to do is turn off our heat completely And then we're gonna place a piece of foil like that. And I want you to loosely cover it. And we're just gonna let this kind of steam and rest in here for about 1 minute. All right, so it's been a minute, so let's take a look. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's like, you know, low calorie French fries, but it's just as tasty in my opinion, sort of. Now you wanna quickly transfer this to a serving plate. All right, so let's do a quick taste test. So I don't know if you could hear through the mic, but it has that crunchy bite because of the white onions, and it's just so sweet tasting in my mouth. At this point, your potato sticks needs to be fully cooked. So if it tastes raw to you, put the foil back on and let it kind of sit and rest for about a minute or two and then taste it again. But right now, the potato sticks are fully cooked and yet it has this like slightly firm texture with that delicious potato taste. Delicious. And then once you plate it, the only thing to do is add just a little bit of sesame seeds on top like that. So like I always say, when it comes to sesame seeds, less is more. And then we're just gonna add a small drizzle of sesame oil on top, like that. And it is done, folks. Time to eat. It smells like potato heaven. And of course, you gotta have warm Korean rice with it. Yes, carb on carb is the best meal ever. Bon appetit, everyone. It's a big bite. I always make big bites. All right. Awesome. Oh my God, that's so good. And of course, you just need to add a small piece of kimchi and make yourself a perfect spoonful like that. Oh, that is just glorious tasting together. It's such a great combination. This is just even a bigger bite. Okay. I'm happy, I'm speechless. Like kimchi, warm Korean rice, and our 감자볶음 just took it to like, food heaven. Oh my God, this is just so simple, but yet, I feel so blessed in life to be eating this. Now, for those of you that want to spare some calories and you don't feel like stir frying this, I have another recipe making the same dish, but boiling it in water, and it comes out just as delicious. And the video link will be in the description box below, so I will see you there. I mean, I don't know about you, but I could eat potatoes every day, because I grew up in Gangwon-do, which is known for the most delicious potatoes in my opinion. So I grew up eating potatoes almost every day, and I still do today. If you want to check out more Korean side dish recipes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and select the playlist tab and click on Korean side dish banchan recipe playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and maybe share this video with your friends and family. 여러분, 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.